How's it going, guys? Welcome to CardBreakKids.com. Today we're going to be doing a personal box, totally certified 14-15 Panini basketball for Adam. All right, good luck, Adam. All right. All right, first card is Kevin Love, DeMar DeRozan, Julius Randle base rookie card, and it looks like a James Harden. Yep, James Harden. Followed by clear cloth jersey card, Jonas Valanciunas, 173 out of 199. Single color jersey card. Pack number 2, got a Tayshaun Prince, Jeff Teague. Oh, nice, blue Steph Curry. Aaron Gordon rookie card and a blue parallel Steph Curry. It's 58, 149. You got a jersey card, another clear cloth, 34 out of 299, Amari Stoudemire. What's going on with the stream? Is it super laggy? I see it on my second window. It looks like it's going like snail's pace. All right, third pack. Good luck. Andre Drummond. Come on. Goran Dragic. There you go. Red Jimmy Butler. That's a nice one. Red Jimmy Butler. Wow. Okay. 143, 279 on a Jimmy Butler. Then you got a red rookie, TJ Warren. That should be also 149. 153, 279. And unfortunately, it looks like you got points card in place for your SIG, but it is of 400 points. 400 points. And they got a dummy card behind there. All right. I think you might have gold here. Got a Bradley Beal, or it might be the fake gold, the certified excellent inserts, which the card is completely gold. Kevin Durant base. Nikola Mirotic rookie base card. Yeah. Oh, you got a blue Serge Ibaka die cut. 70 of 74 on the die cut. And then certified excellence. Yep. Certified excellence gold. Fake gold. 224 out of 299. And your last card, Tom Chambers, 4 of 149. Red parallel jersey. Tom Chambers. All right. Thank you, Adam.